Why, hello there, TikTok. My name is Kennedy. I just made it to 16,000 followers, so I think now would be a great time for a reintroduction. I am an ICU nurse. I've been an ICU nurse for about 2 years. I am currently on my first travel contract from Wisconsin to Los Angeles, California at a level 1 trauma facility in their trauma ICU. In my videos, I talk a lot about what it is like to be a trauma ICU nurse, or really just an ICU nurse in general, in real life, like what I see on a daily basis. Before I started traveling, I was a float pool ICU nurse. I was trained in 5 different ICU specialties: the medical ICU, surgical trauma ICU, cardiovascular ICU, liver transplant ICU, and neuro ICU. So I actually really loved that. I loved doing that job. I realized that I could travel from doing that job. And before I did float pool ICU nursing, I was specifically in liver transplant ICU. So I really just come on this TikTok page and talk about what it is like to be an ICU nurse in the first hand. Like, what are the types of things that I see on a daily basis? And that includes taking care of brain dead patients, or patients who have open abdomens, or patients who were shot in the head, or patients who are whatever the case may be. That's what I come and talk about. I really enjoy talking about these topics because I feel like, 1, there are things that the general public just doesn't know, and 2, as a new grad coming into these types of situations, it can be pretty difficult and pretty confusing. So if you're interested in hearing about any of that stuff, like and follow for more.